Welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. Today we're making bacon wrapped lollipops. Pretty simple. So I like to just pulling the skin this way, and then I just cut right here. So we got a nice clean cut. Peel this off the knuckle. Pretty simple. At this point you just push down. Push the meat down. Let me clean this up right here. Got a little bowl in here. I ain't gonna worry about it. And I'll come back to you guys once I knock all these out. Let's make a rub for our chicken. So I got a 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of sazon, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon of chili powder, tablespoon paprika, tablespoon of garlic, tablespoon of onion. For the cayenne pepper, teaspoon, ground mustard, teaspoon, salt, teaspoon, and we mix. All right, let's season up the chicken. We'll start from here. Try to go nice and tight. Pull on the bacon. Just try to get it nice and tight. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to tuck it in under this other side. So it's nice and tucked in. The key is for the flame just to lick right under the chicken. Hopefully that bacon sets up. So I got a hot zone, obvious, and my cold zone's right here. So I'm pushing down just so the chicken can stay put. I'll keep you posted. I'll come back in 15-20 minutes. After the fire dies down, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the top grade. The heat gets less intense. This is about 5 minutes into the cook. Pretty quick. So what I ended up doing is just laying them down. I'm not trying to move them too much because what I want that bacon to get tight on the chicken so it doesn't fall off. Try not to move them when they're in this stage. Just leave them there. Give them 2-3 minutes and then try to turn them. You can pick it up really gently and just look under. If it's ready to move, then move it. But if not, just leave it there. So I took the top tier off, came to the bottom tier. And here, the bacon's rendering pretty good. But you gotta keep an eye on them because they will burn. It's much hotter down here. They're looking pretty nice. I temped 2 of them already. We're at 160. I made a sauce in the back. Still warming, if you will. 1 cup of ketchup. I got about 3 tablespoons of molasses, 3 tablespoons of honey. I got Worcestershire sauce, a couple tablespoons of that. Oh, you know what? I got beef broth in there. Just a little bit, a couple tablespoons. Just to make it a little bit thinner. I didn't have apple juice. Really nice. These bigger pieces of chicken here, they take a little longer to cook. So all I did is just flip them over. These guys are done already. I already dipped them in sauce. Another thing, let your sauce cook down before you start dipping anything. I just go ahead and just bathe them in there. Looks good. Let me move this out of the way. They breast at about good 5 minutes. try it out. Moment of truth. Bacon wrap lollipops. We kick off the summer with these guys. All right, check it out. This is awesome. Juicy, moist, sweet. There's a little bit of heat in there, not much. Mostly sweet. This is delicious. Salud. Super tender. These came out fire. The bacon's crispy, it's not chewy. If I would have done it in the smoker, I think it would have been chewy. But since we grilled them, it came out good. You know, I just want to say, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. Thank you guys for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, so you guys don't miss out the future videos. I got great recipes for you guys, and you guys got to try out this chicken. It is delicious. My mouth keeps on watering just looking at my chicken, so thank you guys. Check it out. Delish. Fire, guys. I gotta get a thumbnail now out of this.